Here's Professor Dilip Barad, Dean Faculty of Arts, Professor and Head Department of English, MK Bhavnagar University, Gujarat. Professor Barad has an experience of 23 years of teaching to students belonging to various faculties like Commerce, Management, Computers, Humanities, and Social Sciences. His areas of interest are computer-aided language learning, innovative use of ICT in teaching English, literature, and literary theories. He has conducted workshops on the use of web tools for teaching in national and international conferences. He has penned books and articles on Thomas Hardy, Kamala, and modern communication and web tools for English teaching. He recently completed an e-content development project funded by MHRD, Government of India. He completed a UGC research project on technology and teaching English language and literature blended learning.